Today I'm going to show you how to explicitly share a folder and implicitly share the files within that folder. So let's find our folder, Logo Files, click the box next to it, the share icon becomes active, click it, and I can share in a number of ways. I can create a share link and email, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn share it, or I can find colleagues and type their names in. So let's share it with David and Pete. Okay, and we'll add them. Great. I can also enter an email address. Hit enter and add. And as you can see, they're all explicitly shared to, and they're viewers. I can change them to editor, and that gives them the ability to download the files, make changes to them, and then upload them again and create a new version. I could also make them co-owners, which means they would have the same exact abilities that I have as the owner. I'm going to keep them as viewers, okay? And I can also do some attribute changes for the share. I can make them, give them the ability to invite others, or I can take away the ability for them to see each other. The default is they can see each other and they cannot invite anybody. I'm going to leave those alone. There's also share specific notifications. Those are events. So let's take a look at that. I've got this set as downloads content, mainly because they're viewers. They can't modify, delete, or add content, so I really don't care about those attributes or the notifications, so I just want them to I just want to know when they download content. They can also follow global notifications, and that means I'll see everything. Okay? I can also have a personal message with it, and it just means that the template that they would receive normally is Jackie has shared some files or folders with you. I can add a personal message. Take a look. And that is included, okay? So I finish. I can also BCC and send a copy of the share invitation to myself. I finish. And now if I go take a look at that folder, it'll have an icon on it that shows that I've changed the share attributes in some way. In this case, I own the folder and I'm sharing out. But in order to see who I'm sharing to, I click it, and there's a couple of ways I could tell. One of them is to look at the share attribute. So I'll take a look, and it looks like I'm implicitly sharing this file because it's already in the folder with David, Pete, and J.L. Hoyt. And that's it. And that's how you share a file and folder explicitly, and then the files inside are implicitly shared. There's other ways that you can also share files. So within this folder, if I click upload and I select a file, let's say I want to include some SmartBox logos. I'll just use that one for example. I open it and I start the upload. The green check mark appears and I say close. Okay, I haven't changed the share attributes yet, so let's select that. And I don't want Pete or Jackie to have access to those. I'll remove them from the share. And now David is the only one I'm sharing with, and I finish. And now you can see it has a red arrow that tells me that I've done something different than these other two files. I've changed the share. So if you look at the share on this, it shows only David. If you look at the share attributes on this file, for example, that has the white arrow, I'm sharing it with David, Pete, and J.L. Hoyt 60. Hey, that's called subfolder sharing. And that's important when you want to create a folder that you don't want everybody to have access to the files inside. You control the shares. And that's it. Have a great day.